Hi, I'm Beth, Clinical Application Specialist for GE Healthcare. Today, I'm going to be introducing you to the Venue and the Venue Go ultrasound machines for point of care. Both the Venue and the Venue Go have the same software and similar interfaces. The Venue has a 19-inch monitor and the Venue Go has a 15.6-inch monitor. The Venue Go's color bar, located at the top of the screen in pink, can be customized for each department for easy identification. The battery life for the Venue is up to 4 hours of scanning time, while the Venue Go is up to 2 hours of scanning time. Each system has an indicator that clearly displays the remaining scan time. Each system was engineered with a seamless flat display for easy cleaning capabilities. For a complete list of approved cleaners, visit gehealthcare.com. The Venue has multiple portability features. You can maneuver it up and down. It swivels side to side. There is a safety locking mechanism for the articulating arm while moving the system. For portability and easy use, the Venue Go can be moved up and down. The monitor can be tilted and swiveled side to side. The Venue Go can be removed from the cart and placed on a flat surface using the kickstand in the back of the system. The Venue Go can also be placed in a cradle on a boom. The Venue wheels have both front and back steering and braking mechanisms. To activate steering, press down on the green lever. To deactivate, press down on the gray lever. To activate the brake mechanism, press down on the red lever or both. To release the braking mechanism, press down on the gray lever. The Venue Go has a braking mechanism on each wheel. To activate, press the front gray lever. To deactivate, press the top gray lever. The Venue has 4 probe ports, and the Venue Go has 3 probe ports on the back of the system. On the back of the Venue Go, there is an Ethernet port, an HDMI port, and 3 USB ports. 2 are seen here, and there is 1 on the side. On the back of the Venue, there is an Ethernet port, an HDMI port, and 2 USB ports. On the back of the Venue monitor is an additional USB port. If you have a wireless adapter, it can be placed here. Wireless is embedded on the Venue Go. As you can see from the displayed transducers, there are a large assortment of RS ultrasound probes offered. These can be further detailed in our transducer guide. Probes are located at the top of the systems, so the cables never touch the ground, even when the system is at its lowest height. On the Venue, you can place a probe in the holder on the side of the monitor that allows you to place a sterile probe cover unaided. The Venue Go and the Venue Go cart are customizable, so you can place the gel and the probe where it's convenient for you. Each system comes with a storage bin. On the Venue, you have an option for a large or small size, while the Venue Go offers a large standard size. Additional accessories include an ECG module, black and white printer, and barcode reader. To shut down or place the system in standby, press the power button. If standby is chosen, you can reboot the system in 6 seconds. When shutdown is selected, the system will reboot in less than 80 seconds. If the power button did not respond, tap Settings and tap the off button. This option is configurable.